Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. So today's reading is for our Cancer friends. What is the month March 2023 bringing for our Cancerian friends? These are your cards. Let us start with your oracle card, the womb. The first thing that we think of when we look at the card, the womb, is mother and motherhood. So this month is excellent for those women who were planning to get pregnant, planning a pregnancy, a family. This is the month where you can receive the good news, conceive. If you are already a mother, then this is the month where you will feel that you are attempting to become a better mother. How to care for your children, how to nourish them, how much to protect, how to be the perfect balanced mother. So the focus will be not your children, no. You as a mother, how you can be as a mother, that will be your focus. After that, the womb is mother, so the focus will also be your relationship with your mother. So you can see yourself connecting with your mother in the coming month. It could be your mother or motherly figures in your life. You may, if you've not felt that connection, or if you've not had the time to connect with your mother, even if you've interacted with her a lot but not really felt the connect, then this is the month when you will be able to connect with her. You will be able to feel that motherly love and protection and nourishment from her. The womb card is also about, see, in the womb we grow, a fetus grows. So the card is a lot about growing and growth. If there has been any stagnation in your life, or even if there hasn't been for that matter, but more so if has been a stagnation, you will really feel that things are growing, you are growing, life is growing in the next month for you. Then the womb is also about being in that safe, protective space. So you will feel throughout the month that you are safe, protected, covered, taken care of. Also, this is a time for healing. Any kind of healing. It could be a physical healing, it could be a mental healing, an emotional healing. So I see this is again a very powerful card. I see a lot of potential with the womb card coming as your main card for the month of March. 8 of Cups. I see some kind of disinterest in something. You're losing interest in some maybe relationships, some emotional things, and you're moving on. Justice card. Okay. Wrongs will be put right. Any kind of, in the past, any time that you felt, or if you in the past you felt that things have not been going right for you, then this is the time when you will feel, okay, things are now starting to go right for me. If somebody has wronged you, somebody has created a scene of where you have been wronged, you have been projected in the negative light, wrongly projected in the negative light. This is the month where that wrong will be put right and justice will be done unto you. This is also month where you will be strong, fair, aligned with the truth, do things ethically and morally. Four of Sword. Okay, again a card showing a time of renewal, resting, meditation, healing, prayer. In fact, with the womb card, the womb is the mother, but the womb is also the mother beyond the mother. That is the the unborn mother, we may say, or the godly mother. So with the womb card and plus the four of swords here, this is a good time for meditation, prayer, and connecting to the higher mother, to the god. And the hermit card. So that's three cards in a row. It's gonna be a month where really you're gonna feel that you want to withdraw from the world, withdraw from society, take time off to heal, to grow, to pray, to meditate. Maybe just spend time with your children or your mother or both, or spend time trying to uh, connect with yourself, with your source, even. Because the womb is the source. Awareness, and of course that's the first card for how you will be feeling internally. I'm not surprised to see the card, and abundance. So yes, two strong cards showing us that when you will be taking time off from the world, you will be able to see things as they are, plus the justice card here. So you will be aligning yourself to the truth. You will be aligning yourself away from the falsehoods and trying to see things as they really are. And then with the abundance card here, I see that you're going to be happy internally. You're going to feel happy. This is a time of flowering internally. Knight of Cups for your career, for your job, business, etc. So you're going to be like emotionally fulfilled by whatever you're doing, whether you're working or you're into business or freelancing, whatever it is, you're going to be really emotionally fulfilled by it. You may experience that as things may go up and down in your place of work, you may find some emotional swings along with that. But basically, a good month where you can expect a lot of emotional fulfillment, and you may look for emotional fulfillment through your work. And your last card for love life is the Eight of Cups. We had seen an Eight of Cups here also, so another Eight of Cups. You seem to have somehow lost interest in your love life, whether you're with someone or not with someone, whether you're single or married or dating, etc. You seem to be a little not really worried about your love life. Also, it may be that some of you may have had some negative experience because of which you want to move on. So that's the month for you, the month of March, my dear Cancerian friends. I wish you have a lovely healing month as your cards suggest. Bye bye.